SwissWatchExpo here, helping you learn each one of the clasps for different models that Rolex offers with their different glide lock clasps, micro adjustment clasps, expandable clasp for dive suits, all of the wonderful things that they offer. We've gone over the Hulk in green, we've gone over the Yachtmaster here, and now we're going to go over the sub here. Now this is a no date sub, it does not matter. We're just simply going to show you what kind of clasp you have. So what you will do is you'll actually turn this over. This is the older style clasp where you have each individual hole here where a micro adjustment can be made with a spring bar. Now that needs to be done with a special tool and a watchmaker, or maybe you have that tool at home. Now, having said that, this is a little bit different clasp because this clasp lays down in two different ways. This is a multi-folding clasp. So when you look at this, you'll notice, hey, this comes apart awfully strange. It's tight. So if you actually pull, this is the normal position that you would adjust the watch in. But if you pull this out and you actually pull out, you'll notice that the diver's extension clasp comes out, and then you have these extension parts here too. So this is really important because a lot of people get fouled up if this thing comes out. They don't really know how to lay this back down properly. So one of the things that you want to do is you want to make sure that you roll this in and lay it flat down, okay? And then you can see the pivot and the arch. And then you lay that flatter part down and that portion into, and you snap the back side. So this is actually the part that snaps in. So lay it down, and then you'll notice there's that little overlap, and you just push it in.